Anyone who follows the smartphone world knows that Samsung is developing the Galaxy S25 series. The business will likely debut the Galaxy S25 series in early 2025. A new leak has shortened the launch window, stating that Samsung will officially introduce the Galaxy S25 devices on January 22 during the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. The information comes from a reliable source, SU6 on X. The leaker says Samsung will introduce the Galaxy S25 series in San Jose on January 22 at 10 a.m. Pacific Time and 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The leak date feels a little more solid given it comes packed with a time and place, but it's still a rumor until Samsung announces the event. Samsung is likely to unveil the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra as normal. Additionally, the leaker believes the corporation will tease their future XR headset, though they didn't clarify what the headset will bring to the table. Thankfully, there have been numerous Samsung XR leaks already, so we have a reasonable sense of what to expect from the headset. Interestingly, the leaker didn't mention the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim, which we've heard rumors about for the last few weeks. With Apple purportedly working on an iPhone 17 Air, it would be logical for Samsung to want to offer a slimmed-down version of its beloved phones, but perhaps the device isn't ready yet. At the same time, reports say that the Galaxy S25 Slim could be released in April or later. This would allow Samsung to beam a brighter spotlight on the gadget when the timing is right. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely get most of the spotlight at Samsung Unpacked, and we're hearing that the new flagship will include a new shape, a larger 6.9-inch display, a better 50MP ultra-wide camera, and maybe a variable aperture zoom. Plus, the Galaxy S25 Ultra should sport Qualcomm's powerful new Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU and have a variety of new AI features along with One UI 7. Based on the reputable source and prior speculations, we're convinced that Samsung will introduce the Galaxy S25 series on January 22. However, things could change as the date approaches. Once the company officially announces its upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, we'll be sure to report it and follow the news as it happens. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be offered in 7 titanium color variants. Recently, a leaker revealed the probable marketing color names, and now an industry expert has come up with color hues as per output volume. Production volume refers to the color preference that Samsung is expecting for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The flagship will be offered in 4 standard and at least 3 online-exclusive color variations with an improved titanium frame. Display supply chain consultant CEO Ross Young previously released the alleged hues for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. He is now sharing more details, indicating that Samsung anticipates the titanium black hue to be the most in demand. Following that, the Korean company expects titanium silver and titanium gray hues to have significant consumer demand and is devoting manufacturing resources to them accordingly.